Welcome back to my channel Arts Education and Crafts. In this video I am going to explain about proportion. In the previous video I explained about ratio, and now in this video I am going to explain about proportion. This is the 7th class mathematics 6th chapter. Now what is proportion? The meaning of proportion. The definition is when two ratios are said to be equal, then it is called as proportion. When two ratios are said to be equal, then it is called as proportion. Then it is called as what? Proportion. When two ratios are said to be equal. Suppose examples, A is to B is a ratio. Keep this aside. And C is to D is a ratio. Keep this aside. If these two ratios are said to be equal, A, B is equal to C is to D, then here middle you have to write one symbol, that is called proportion symbol. So this 4 dots, 1, 2, in ratio we will represent like this. This is called as, we will pronounce it as is to, like A is to B. But in comes to proportion, we will write like this. This is one ratio, this is one ratio. These two ratios are said to be equal, then we call as proportion. This is a symbol of proportion and we call it as is as. Okay, so here now we pronounce this as A is to B, is as C is to D. Everyone understand? Now I'll say an example also. So take one example like 5 is to 10 is as 7 is to 6. 7 is to 6. Now, how we can find that these are equal? How can we find that? Is this a proportion? Is this a proportion? How can? There is a technique. Now we will see that. 5 is to 10 is as 7 is to 6. In this, first and last numbers are called as extremes. And here middle numbers are there, no. Then these two numbers are called as means. These two numbers are called as means. These are called as extremes and these are called as means. In this, to find what these number is proportion or not, we have to do multiplication of extremes and means. Now I'll show. So extremes, what are these? Are the extremes, means. So now here, what are the extremes? 5 and 6. 5 into 6. Have to write. And now here means. What are the means? 10 and 7 are means. 10 into 7. 10 into 7 are means. Now we have to do multiplication. 5 6 are 30. 10 7s are 70. So in here, I already said that proportion means this is as. When two ratios are said to be equal, it is called as proportion. Equal means what? These two ratios must be equal. Then it is said to be called proportion. Here 30 is there. Here 70 is there. Are these two numbers are equal? No. This is not equal. It is not equal. Okay. So now here 5 is to 10 is as 7 is to 6. We cannot write this because it is not a proportional. Now we will see the next example. 1 is to 2 is as 4 is to 8. 1 is to 2 is as 4 is to 8. So in this, what are extremes and what are means? Yeah, 1 and 8. This is the first term. Fourth term are called as extremes, and second term and fourth term. Second term and third term are called as means. Now we'll see how to solve. extremes means, okay, 1 8, 1 into 8, 2 4, 2 into 4, 1 8s are 8, 2 4s are 8. So 8 is as 8. So what is the meaning of this proportion symbol? Equal to, equal. So here 8 and 8 is equal. So 1:2 is as 4:8 is a proportional. Okay, is a proportional. I hope everyone understood. Now we will go to the exercise 2. So this is our first problem in our exercise 2. That is, they given the proportional numbers and they are asked that find the product of extremes and product of means. So I already said that how to do that. So now we will do the first one. These are extremes, these are means. Extremes, 1 into 8. 1 into 8 is equal to 8. 2 into 4. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. So here, they given the proportional numbers, write only, everything write only. But they ask you to find product of extremes and means. Now we will see the next one, that is 5 into 6 is as 75:90. So 5:6 is as 75:90. These are the extremes, these are the means. The product of 5 into 90, 450. Okay, 6 into 75, 6 into 75 is equal to also 450 only. Now we will see the third one, 3, 32, 4 and 24. So now product of 3 and 32, 32 into 3 is equal to how much? 96. And the product of 4 into 24, 4 into 24 is also 96 only. So this is 1, 2, 3 are one model and 4, 5 are the next model. Now I will say briefly. So if you have any doubt, you can enter your doubt in the down comments, there will be there, no? You can enter your doubt and submit. I'll explain your doubt. Okay, now this is the fourth one. Okay, this is a fourth and fifth problem, that is 2:5 is as box. They did not given us the value. We have to find the value and we have to solve this into 50. So how to solve, how to keep the box, how to fill the box means I'll say. What's the first question? 2:5 is as x is to 15. Instead of the box here, I wrote what I wrote here? I wrote x. Now, product of extremes and means formula I have to do. Product of extremes and means. 2 into 15 is proportional to 5 into x. So, this is the value. So now, if x is there this side, no? I'm sorry. So this is one value, this is one value. If first x is there in the value, if the x is there in the question, you have to write the value of first. How means, if x is there means 5 into x you have to write, first you have to write means, and then you have to go for extremes as 2 into 15. So now we have to solve 5x. 5x is as 2 into 15 how much? 30. So this is the question. 5x is to 30. We solved it like. Now here into will be there, no, 5 into x. So here into is there. If 5 goes this side, it becomes division. Here x is equal to, this proportion is what? Is equal to, x is equal to 30 by 5. 5 ones are 5 6 are, so 6. So instead of here box, you have to write which number? X. X is equal to what? X is equal to 6. Everyone understood? X is equal to 6. Now here we got the question, that is 2:5 is as 6:15. We know that product of extremes and means. Okay, product of extremes and means. 2 into 15, 5 into 6. How much? This must be equal. Then only this is said to be proportion. This must be equal. Then only it is said to be proportion. 2 into 15 how much? 30 is equal to 5 into 6, 30. 30 and 30. These two are equal. So this number is said to be a proportion. This is the fourth question. And now I'll say the fifth question. That is 3 is to 6. 3 is to 6 is as 12 is to box. Now here we have to find extreme value. Means fourth term value. So we'll take it as x. So first x we took now. Now we have to divide by extremes. Extremes means 3 into x is as, this is equal, this means is equal to only, better to write is equal to 6 into 12. Okay. Now here it becomes 3x. 3 into x how much? 3x only is equal to 6 12s are 96. Okay. 6 12s are 96. 96. 96 only? No. This is not 96. 6 12s are how much? It is 72. 6 12s are 72. Now here 3 is there into, if this 3 comes here, what it becomes? It becomes division. 72 by 3. Now here what number will be there? 3 will be not there. So 3x is equal to 72 by 3. This 3 only we got here. So now here 3 will be not there. X is equal to 72 by 3. 3 1s are 3, 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12. So what's the answer? 24. So instead of this x, instead of this box, what we have to write? 24. What we have to write? 24. Okay. Then find the product of extremes and means. 3 into 24. How much? 3 24 into 3. 3 4s are 12. 70. How much? 70. Okay. Is equal to 6 into 12. How much? 6 into 12 also 72 only. Now only here we found 6 12s are 72. So here 72 is equal to 72. So this is also said to be a proportional number. We completed our first Roman, and next video I'll say the other Romans. If anyone want my maths links, in the down there will be a description, and in that description I'll keep my maths links so you can listen. I hope everyone liked this video, so please like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.